Here's the process on how to install your add a pouch. So in the package, you'll be getting the pouch itself. You'll get 5 male-in Chicago screws, 5 female-in Chicago screws. Today we're going to do it on a 50-18 bag, so the single pouch outer. Some additional tools you'll need is a felt tip marker. So I'm using a metallic Sharpie, black's fine. A screwdriver, piece of wood for drilling the holes, and then you'll need a drill with a regular Phillips bit, and then a drill with a 3/16 bit to put the holes in. You'll take your pouch. You can measure however you need to. If you want them in the middle, it really can go anywhere you want. So you can move it up further, you can push it up back, but you'll set it about where you want it. Make sure that that's all lined up correctly, and then you'll take your felt tip and you'll mark your holes. And there's one down in the bottom, so it's optional to do that one. So these ones are put on that way, so you have that piece there, so when you bend over it doesn't flop out. It's up to you on those ones. If you want this pouch to be able to rotate, then leave it out. If you want to have it on there, you can add that one in. So then from there, you'll take your piece of wood and your drill bit, and you'll just go through, put these along the back edge of the dots you just placed, and then just go ahead and push through, drill through those marks you just made. A little easy tip to get these to set in initially: take your female end here, put it through the back. You'll actually put it through the back of the bag. Use your male end, go ahead, you put it through the hole. You're going to put those through, get them to match up, and then just by hand get those started. Use your screwdriver and just tighten them up so that you can start to feel a little bit of resistance, but that'll help to pull the female end through and then just back them up. So what that allows you to do there, once we take that male end off, it'll pull itself up into the hole, so then you can push down on it and it'll seat itself. So they're not going to fall out now, so you don't have to worry about it trying to put the pouch on and all of these pieces are falling out on you. So you'll do that to the rest of them. If you tighten it down too tight, the whole thing's going to spin, and then you'll have to use a pair of line mains or something to hold on to the bones. All right, so now that you have all of these pieces placed down through, they'll hold themselves in place. You don't have to mess with too much else. So now the rest of it is just putting on the pouch with the provided nail-on screws. So it doesn't matter where you start, they'll all line up. It's usually a little bit more secure if you use some construction adhesive or Loctite to hold it in place, but it's really a judgment call. You don't have to, but it'll hold a lot more secure, so you don't need to worry about the fabric going the other end where the screws come out. Final one's a little more tricky. Usually easier if you place the male end in first. Then you'll take those two, line them up together, and then pull back on flip. Yeah, there you go. All set. So you can add those pretty much anywhere you want. Inside the bag, outside the bag, doesn't really matter. It's just wherever you'd like it to be, but gives you a little added fastener pouch.